Welcome to this guide for users of the Pull Through range of cleaning brushes. This video is a guide for new users. It covers important steps for the correct and effective use of the Pull Through cleaning brush range. The brushes come in different sizes to suit a wide variety of endoscopes. The first and most important step is to understand the scope you are cleaning. Check the manufacturer's instructions for use and determine the internal diameters for each channel. This is important as the endoscope can have channels with different internal diameters. Set up your workspace using clean gloves to select cleaning consumables. Select the correct pull-through cleaning brush for each channel. Before brushing, ensure the scope is not too tightly coiled in the sink. First brush from the instrument port to the distal end. Use short strokes to push the leader end into the channel. This helps avoid bending the filament. Then brush from the handle to the distal end. Finally, brush from the handle to the light source. Ensure the channels are wet. Best practice is to submerge the endoscope to take advantage of the unique benefits of the pull-through cleaning brush and its 5 layers of clean. The pull-through cleaning brush is inserted by the leader end into the port. Unlike bristle brushes, where the brush head is inserted first, the pull-through cleaning brush is designed to be pulled through the channel. When the leader exits the distal end or port, pull the brush through, ensuring that the port or the distal end is pointing down, away from the technician. This is to prevent spray of soil when the pull-through cleaning brush exits. The resistance you can feel is the seal the wipers create against the channel wall. The pull-through cleaning brush is cleaning the channel like a squeegee. As the pull-through cleaning brush passes along the channel, you can feel the clean. Coil the pull-through cleaning brush for safe and easy disposal. A used pull-through brush is classified as medical waste and should be disposed of appropriately, for example, incinerated.